Welcome to yet another edition of Art of Our Moon. I almost get run over here. On tonight's edition, I am walking to the cat show since it's not that far from my house. I actually tried to go get some parking. It's impossible. I don't know if the day is like really super jinxed or something. It's been half and half. Well, not half and half. I think there's a couple things that were really good that happened. Kind of like just personal stuff and stuff at work or whatever. But almost everything else has been a disaster. So I don't know what that means, but I was able to set up my pieces, and that was somewhat easy. There was a lot of last minute things to do, so it was kind of basically work the 10 and then not a 12 but a 10, and then do like 2 or 3 hours of remaining stuff on the records and stuff. This is gonna be shaky because I'm walking. I wish I had one of those upper chest mounts or something camera wise. Anyway, it's just like every single thing has been an issue, so except for setting the pieces up, that was fine. The records are done, so that's good. It seems like I move forward, but boy, how much pain do you want to feel? Like right now I'm freezing my butt, and it's really not that far, but I couldn't get a parking spot. There's just absolutely no way. So I hope that means a big sale. I ended up changing a couple of the pieces I was going to take. I forgot I did have a Snoop Dogg, pretty good size Snoop Dogg, so I took that one in the Jay-Z since they're a little bit smaller, not that much smaller, but a little bit, maybe a little easier to carry. And now I'm carrying them in the cold, so I'll see in a minute. We'll see inside, and probably will be music and time lapse or music and mute on most of the sounds since you can't really hear much in there. Go drop off and then hit the cat show if I'm not frozen. Talk to you in a minute. I'm not as much of a popsicle as I thought I was, so we'll check it out here, see if this is the entrance or not. Yeah, it's the same old thing, like, how do you record when a crowd is there? Is this one thing to record in your room? Totally, you know, it's acceptable or whatever. I feel it's more comfortable, but I'm standing in front of my own pieces. I just showed a few seconds of it. Well, we're going to go to the cat show here, and I'm going to try to get over that, because it's really hard. I don't know what the deal is with that, but I don't know. First of all, I don't know if I can legally, or whatever. God dang it, the sidewalk is uneven. I'm about to break my leg on it. I don't know if I logistically record inside a show. Alright. So we're going to the cat show now. I'm just going to go in there, record. We'll see. I'll probably meet the rest of this, so anyway. Just got to get a little courage to record. Like I said, it's one thing in your room, but Crumper, Chris Crumper. This cat piece, Chris Crumper. I'm actually kind of surprised how light this is tonight. The last couple of years have been packed to the gills. It's early too, but a lot of art sold. So that's sweet. And Vine that I've seen sold, but I don't know. I haven't seen all of it. 11 pieces. See the ones that are left. A lot sold. Look at that. That's all come on.
One free ticket.
Thanks for watching this video. As you saw, I skipped around a lot. I didn't really notice that I was recording the ground so much, but I don't know. Walking is a bad thing on my videos. There's probably plenty of bad things, but that one is really bad. I don't have a stabilizer, I guess, and or know how to stabilize that. And then I would, one of the other big problems is recording a crowd or in a crowd around other people. It's a little harder to do that for me than just you know, my room or studio or whatever you want to call it, making art. So I think it failed in some level of that. The show was okay. Actually, then I started talking to a bunch of people, and I drank a little bit, and you start talking to people, and it's not really that big a deal in that sense, but I forget to record. So I didn't get a lot more footage than you'll see in this video, basically. And so the combination of a number of things, I did meet a number of people that were very interesting. Didn't really have, I had like one little sale that was okay, but that wasn't as fun as selling a lot of stuff. But that's how it works. That's how art shows go. It's a hit and miss. And here's like a photo of just basically them making some pancakes. I thought at least I could film that. It's fun, you know, you drink enough and you experience art, but then you got to wonder about, you know,
It was 13 something dollars. I didn't realize that till the day of the show. I didn't know it was 13 bucks. I'm surprised people come out and pay $13 to go to a show and then pay X amount of money to drink alcohol and these $4 for beer. And you know, I don't know. What impact does that make on the art being sold? I'm not really sure. And that's probably why everybody says it's bar shows or whatever. But I mean, I've had success with them, so. And if you show in Manhattan, just being able to show in Manhattan, even though if it's not a gallery, that's something pretty exciting. But I'm not really sure about Columbus, Ohio. It was fun. I had a show that was good. Well, we did have the other show. I went to the cat show, but really only once, and I was going to go back, and I didn't even realize the time. By then it was 11, as I was talking too much. So, talking, 11 o'clock. It was closed by 11, so I didn't realize the time. Anyway, so I got like one shot, me walking through and trying to hide my camera or whatever, like feeling weird about that. Either way, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, that'd be awesome. Sub to the channel, that'd be sweet. Just for whatever, I don't have under 30, but now that you need 1,000 subs for it to mean money at all, not that it was about money, I don't make any money. It just, doesn't really matter too much now. But hey, if you want to sub, that'd be sweet. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the sub and then hit the bell so you know when I upload, which is not every day. That's why it says almost every day, almost daily vlogs. I didn't upload last night, mainly because I was doing last minute prep stuff, and I was super dead tired. So anyway, some days it's not going to work. I try to do it every day, but I will talk to you guys later in the next video. I sure appreciate any interest and any time spent. Even though I wasn't exactly super happy with the show, it was a good show, but it would have been nice to have sales or bigger sales or whatever. You could still show with these guys. Just look it up, Pancakes and Booze. If you happen to be traveling to a city, they don't show in every single city in the United States, but they show in a lot of cities. And throughout the United States and Europe, like, you happen to be going to London or someplace, I think there's France or some other places, in Europe, and I think Australia also. So if you happen to be traveling, even if you got another show, I always like to, if you can double dip on different shows, that'd be sweet. I mean, it's cost more to ship it and whatever else, but if you're already going to Europe, it's going to be somewhat expensive. So check them out, pancakesandbooze.com. You can see their shows on there and submit. So it's an option for showing in different cities. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.